Hey everyone, welcome to 711 Linden Drive here in the beautiful city of Oxnard, California. This property features 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, updated kitchen, newer roof. Come take a look inside. If you're thinking about buying or selling, send me a DM. If you're interested in this property or any other property here in Ventura County, DM me the word buy right now.